Have you ever dreamed of making money while sitting at home? What if we told you that you could earn $500 every month without even leaving your couch? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because we are about to show you exactly how to do it. Online surveys, your opinion, your money. Let's kick things off with something easy: online surveys. Companies are always hungry for consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for yours. It's like getting paid to share what you think about stuff. Cool, right? One of the best survey sites out there is Google Opinion Rewards. It's like having a tiny money-making machine right in your pocket. Here's how it works. Google sends you short surveys, usually just 1 to 4 questions. Each time you answer, you get paid between 10 to 50 cents. It might not sound like much, but it adds up fast. The best part? These surveys are super quick. We're talking about spending just a minute or 2 of your time. You can do them while waiting for the bus, standing in line at the store, or even during commercial breaks when you're watching TV. Microtasks, small jobs, big rewards. Next up, we have microtasks. These are like the potato chips of the online money-making world: small, satisfying, and hard to stop once you start. One of the best platforms for microtasks is called Toloka. It's like a buffet of tiny jobs that you can do right from your computer or phone. And the best part? You don't need any special skills to get started. So what kind of tasks are we talking about? Well, it could be anything from labeling cars and photos, which helps train eye. By the way, how cool is that? To comparing products or even rating AI-generated pictures. It's like being a mini-boss of the internet. Now, each task might only pay a few cents, but here's the secret sauce. These tasks are super quick and easy. You can knock out a bunch of them in no time. And before you know it, those cents start adding up to dollars. If you get into the groove, you could earn up to $5 an hour doing these microtasks. That might not sound like much, but think about it. That's $5 you didn't have before, and you earned it while chilling at home. Be my eyes. Help others. Help your wallet. Now, let's talk about an app that not only helps you make money, but also makes you feel good about yourself. It's called Be My Eyes, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. You become someone else's eyes. Here's how it works. People who are visually impaired use this app when they need help with visual tasks. It could be anything from reading a label on a can to figuring out if their clothes match. That's where you come in. When someone needs help, the app sends out a request. If you're available, you can answer the call and help them out through a video chat. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, you're wearing your comfy home clothes. The best part? These paid tasks can earn you between $10 to $20 per hour. That's some serious cash for helping out and exploring your neighborhood. Selling stock photos. Turn your snapshots into cash. Got a smartphone? Like taking pictures? Then you're already halfway to your next paycheck. Selling stock photos is a fantastic way to turn your everyday moments into money-making opportunities. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional photographer. Here's the secret: you don't need to be. Stock photo sites are always looking for authentic, real-life images. That sunset you caught on your way home from school. The funny face your dog makes? These could be your ticket to extra cash. One great platform for this is Stock. They're always on the lookout for genuine slice-of-life photos. And get this, some of these images can sell for up to $350 each. Imagine making that much from a picture you took while hanging out with friends. Here's how to get started. First, download the Stock app on your phone. Then, start uploading your best shots. Don't be shy. Upload as many as you can. Make sure to add good descriptions and tags to your photos. This helps people find them. Then, just wait for the sales to roll in. Low-content books. Write little, earn big. All right, now let's talk about something that might blow your mind. Making money from books that you barely even write. Sounds crazy, right? Well, welcome to the world of low-content books. So, what exactly are low-content books? These are books that don't have a lot of words in them. We're talking about things like journals, coloring books, puzzle books, or even notebooks with cool designs on the pages. The best part? You can create these without being a master writer or artist. Here's why this is so awesome. You don't need to write a whole novel. You can create these books pretty quickly, and people love buying these kinds of books. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even start with this? Well, it's easier than you think. There are websites like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing where you can upload your creations and sell them without ever printing a single book yourself. It's like magic. Here's a simple way to get started. First, think of a theme for your book. Maybe it's a gratitude journal or a coloring book full of cute animals. Then, use a free tool like Canva to design your pages. Don't worry if you're not artistic. Canva has tons of templates you can use. After that, upload your design to Amazon KDP. Finally, set your price and watch the sales come in. The cool thing about low-content books is that once you create them, they can keep making money for you over and over again. It's like setting up a little store that's open 24/7, even when you're sleeping. Virtual friendship. Get paid to be a pal. Okay, get ready for this one because it might sound a little weird at first. Did you know you can get paid just for being someone's friend? Yep, you heard that right. Welcome to the world of virtual friendship. Now, before you start thinking this is some kind of weird dating thing, let me explain. There are people out there who are lonely or maybe just want someone to chat with about their favorite TV show or video game, and they're willing to pay for it. One popular platform for this is called Rent a Friend. Despite its name, you're not renting yourself out. It's more like being a friendly ear for someone who needs it. Here's how it works. First, you create a profile on the website. Then, you list the kinds of activities you're interested in. Maybe you love talking about movies, or you're great at giving school advice. After that, people can reach out if they want to chat with you. Now, let's be clear. This is all about platonic friendship. No funny business. It's just good, clean fun and conversation. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So, how much can you make? Well, it varies, but some virtual friends charge anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour just for chatting. Imagine making that much money for talking about your favorite Netflix show. Wow, can you believe we've covered so many awesome ways to make money online? From taking surveys and doing microtasks to selling stock photos and creating low-content books, there are so many opportunities out there just waiting for you to grab them. Remember, making $500 a month online isn't just a dream, it's doable. And the best part, you can mix and match these methods to find what works best for you. Maybe you'll spend your mornings doing microtasks, your afternoons snapping stock photos, and your evenings chatting as a virtual friend. The possibilities are endless. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps other people find this information too. And if you want more tips and tricks for making money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on new money-making opportunities. Thanks for watching, and remember, your online earning adventure starts now. Go out there and make that money. See you in the next video.